Okay, so we've got Pinterest down, so let's go to Google now, because we can use Google Images in order to find good stuff. So we'll say, um, let's try this. Nice things to say to your son. 20 things to say to your son before he's grown. You can try this way. This isn't really images, but you can still take screenshots of this. And I don't know if I'm going to get much from this, but what's the slideshow? Okay, let's do that. Life is full of hard things, and kiddo, you're up for the challenge. Work hard and ask for help when you need it. Think smart. Never settle for less than your worth in life or love. Only being the best you can command the best. Only by being the best can you command the best. So these are cool, but I wonder if people want growing up to be a heartbreaker. Yeah, we don't want that. There's more to life than money. So anyway, we're going to go back here. I'm going to go to images. See what comes up here. So positive things, dear son. Being the only woman in this world who can love you this much, no matter. Oh, that's from mom. 20 things to say to encourage your children. So this stuff like this is good too. Great job, thank you. So you could always take stuff like that. So we could go back here and try what we did on Pinterest. Some quotes from Dad. These might be a little bit better. A father is a man who expects his son to be as good a man as he meant to be. Something like that. I'll be right behind you, son. I will always be near. I'll follow where you want to go. You have nothing to fear. That's actually not bad. Let's take a screenshot of that guy. There we go. And then we'll save that one to our idea file. Right there, good. There's more on here. Small boys become big men through the influence of big men who care about small boys. Interesting. Mother and son. Who was there for you when no one else was? See, that's not really... You held my hand when I was small. You caught me when I fell. You're the hero of my childhood and my later years as well. Oh, that's kind of sad. I think that's for... Oh, there's one. A lot of people will come and go in your life as you grow older, but no matter what, I'll be the one who always hold your hand and always have you in my heart till the end of time. That's actually pretty good, because that's super mush, and that's what you want. So let's take that one. And we can't really prejudge these, because we don't know until we test them which one is going to work on our designs. No love is greater than that of a father for a son. See, that's good, but it's not really mushy. Yeah, we need a little bit mushier. I want you to remember, never give up, no matter what. I want you to keep going ahead, even if it pains a lot. I want you to understand life can be unfair. I want you to remember that I'll always be there. So that's, might be worth a shot if we rework it a little bit. So let's take a screenshot of that. Then add that to the idea folder. And now I'm doing dad to son, but if you're doing a different one, then and you see something that pops up, then certainly take a screenshot and create a new folder for it. The greatest gift I ever had came from God. I call him Dad. So you could say the greatest gift I ever had came from God, and it's you, my son. Something like that. You could change these up too to suit what you're trying to do. Any man can be a father. It takes a special person to be a dad. A father is a man who expects his son to be as good a man as he meant to be. So that kind of thing is a little too funny. When I was a kid, my father told me every day, you're the most wonderful boy in the world, and you can do anything you want to. So you could do one that says, you're the most wonderful son in the world, and you can do anything you want to. So we can, you know what, I'm going to take a screenshot of that. It doesn't have to be exactly what you find. It can be a little bit different. And sometimes different is better because nobody else found it and nobody else has it. So it makes it really good. My father So, I mean, I can go through all these and, funny. It's not flesh and blood, but the heart which makes us fathers and sons. So these are dad stuff. How much I loved your daddy until I saw how much he loved you. Oh, that's sweet. My favorite place is inside your hug. Every father should remember that one day his son will follow his example instead of his advice. Here's some. No matter what age I am, my son has made me laugh, made me proud, made me cry. See me cry, hug me tight, see me fail, cheer me up, kept me on my toes, and has driven me crazy at all times. But my son is a promise that I'll have a friend forever. So you could work that a little bit to suit. It's a little bit long, but we could take chunks from it and create our own little sayings. Okay? So, I mean, I'm not going to keep you all day here on Google, but Google is a great place to find inspiration and quotes that you could then put on your own stuff. So go ahead and use Google as well.